All right, experiment time. Watch this. We'll use some feed to lure this chicken in. It's going in. Camera sees bird. Bam! Trap closes.
Winner, chicken dinner!
But what if the chicken wasn't my real target? What if I only wanted to catch a specific type of bird, like, say, an eagle? Then what? You'd be surprised how easy this is. By combining a Home Assistant automation with Frigate's ability to identify different birds, anyone can pull this off in minutes. I'm gonna walk you through every single step for both of these scenarios. First things first, we need a physical trap that Home Assistant can actually control. It's super simple. I'm just using an ESP32 board, hooked it up to a standard servo, and flashed it with some basic ESP home code. All this does is create a service that lets Home Assistant tell the servo to close the door. Let's test it. All right, open and close is working perfectly. Okay, now let's make this trap smart. In the Frigate config file, we'll add bird to our camera's list of tracked objects. Then we'll create our first automation, the catch-all mode. The logic is dead simple. If Frigate's camera detects an object that is a bird, then it triggers the close door service on our trap. That's it. Rules written. Let's test it. But now for the upgrade from catch-all to specific target mode. And the coolest part is we don't have to touch a single piece of hardware. It's all in the software. So back in the Frigate config, we're going to enable the bird classification feature. This thing can recognize over 900 types of birds, and when it sees one it knows, it adds a sublabel with its common name. Then, over in Home Assistant, we'll create a quick template sensor to grab that sublabel value from MQTT. See this trigger condition? Right now, it's just bird. We're going to delete that and change it to the unique species sublabel that Frigate provides for a bald eagle. All right, one last test. Watch. When the chicken shows up, the system completely ignores it. But when our specific target, the bald eagle, appears, bam! Think about that. Just by changing one line of logic in the code, we gave the exact same piece of hardware a totally different level of intelligence. So now you know. To make your AI system go from casting a wide net to precision striking, the real key is using those super specific sublabels that the model gives you. But more importantly, what you really learned today isn't just a trick. It's the ability to filter a specific target out of a sea of information. Think about it. If you can use this to lock onto an eagle among all birds, couldn't you also use it to just count how many different types of birds visit your backyard?